Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Symmetry. This is first question of its exercise 13.3. So the question says that find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes. How will you check your answer? So हमें यहाँ line of symmetry find out करनी है. So line of symmetry is a line about which the shapes are symmetric or exact to each other. जैसे हम figure part A में draw करेंगे. So this figure is symmetric about horizontal line. So about this line, in upward direction and in downward direction, both figures are same. These are exactly copy of each other. So same here, vertical line is also line of symmetry, and this figure is also symmetric about this line and this line. So in part A, 4 lines of symmetry. In part B, here this figure is symmetric about vertical line. So here it's not symmetric about any horizontal line and any other line. So in part B, there is one line of symmetry. In C, this shape is symmetric about this line and this. So part C is symmetric about two lines. So there are two lines of symmetry. In figure D, this figure is symmetric about horizontal line and a vertical line. So here two lines of symmetry available. In part E, this shape is symmetric about vertical line. So in part E, there is one line of symmetry. Part F, this figure is symmetric about a horizontal line and a vertical line. So there are two lines of symmetry available. So we find the numbers of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes. So in part A 4, in B 1, in part C 2, in part D 2, in part E 1, and in part F two lines of symmetry are available. Thank you.